I will show you a new website which we have launched. Like, we do product review, right? We pick a product for you and we do review, right, deep review from which you can buy a product. Okay, so it's an awesome site, do check it out. And this time I'm showing you a camera which I'm going to buy, which is Canon PowerShot SX520 HS. Okay, so why I'm trying to pick this particular product? Because this is a awesome bundle camera, okay, which you can buy out right now. You know why? Because we are getting 33% off, and I'm doing the purchase right away, and I will show you how I do it. Okay, so why I'm trying to buy this product, okay, why I need it. I have a hobby to really purchase this, what you can say, to take up photographs. Okay, so I need to take a camera which has a good amount of lens quality and also do some HD video recording, right? So it does a HD video recording, and do have a look all the specification which I've mentioned on this particular site. And this camera really awesome. You can see it is having 42x optical zooming, right, which is again a very helpful while you're doing a zooming from a distance and you are getting a good quality images. Okay, so what I do is I'm going to a website, write the link here on this particular website. So I will do a purchase right away, and I can show you how this camera will look, because once I will receive this particular camera, I will do an unboxing for you. Okay, and I will also do a full-fledged a review and also show you how the images look. So I do recommend to go to this particular website and do check yourself how this particular camera do really rate, and rate it yourself. And if you are outside India, there is a link right below in this particular video, or you can click this Amazon link to purchase this. Okay, so right now Amazon is also running a deal which you get this particular camera for $199 only, and that is a good deal. You can purchase this product and you will be happy that you have chosen this particular budget camera product. Okay, so let me click the link you have seen, and now I've routed to Flipkart. Okay, so I'm in India, so I will do a purchase from Flipkart. So you can see this camera is going to get with a 8 GB of SD card and also with a camera bag. So I've added it into my card, and that is a good deal, right? And you can also do some add-ons. I do have 32 GB SD card with me, so I'm not purchasing it. You can purchase a 16 GB of SD card, which is there up to the deal, and add it to your kitty. Okay, so what I will do is I will go ahead and to the cart, and I will try to purchase. Okay, so right now I can click the place order. Okay, so it will ask me to log in with my credentials. So it's giving me an option to put a coupon code as well, but at this moment I don't have it, so I will click it and next. So I will click continue, putting my email address. Okay, and then let me recall I have the password with me or not. Oh, that working or not? Let's see. Click sign in. It worked. Okay, I will choose my location where to ship, and I will say deliver here, and I will do the payment. Okay, so I can do okay, so I will click continue now. Okay, so there is an option by I can do the payment from EMI as well. Okay, so let me choose option Citibank. It is there. I can, and I will go for a yearly plan, okay, which is giving me 13% of interest. So let me put my card details, and what I'll do is I will pause the video, and once I've done the payment, I will come back again and show you the final thing. Okay. Okay guys, you can see I've done the payment, and now I'm in a screen where the payment is being done, and I can see it will be delivered by Tuesday 10th February. I can click my orders and I can see okay, it looks good. Click track, and once I click track, it will show up the status, and right now my item is being confirmed, so I can see the whole flow, how my stuff really flow in, and when I get this particular device. So I will be happy, and I will do a good sort of review. I will take some images, take some pictures, and I will show you up the exact image quality right in this particular website, which is We Do Product Review. Okay, so if you like this particular video, do like it and subscribe this particular channel, and also do follow my website, and I will give you here, right? So what I will do is I will show you up how to make money from your photographs, right? So you click pictures and you share to the social sites, right? But you have the opportunity to really earn money from those images, right? Right after this particular video, I will put a link right below where I will show you up how you can earn money from your images, right? It doesn't matter you have a camera, a professional camera to take the images. You can use your smartphone and you can earn money from those images. Okay, so let's move on, and thanks a lot for viewing this particular video, and do subscribe my channel and stay tuned, because I will be making up unboxing of this particular camera, Canon camera, when I get my shipment, and I will also do a deep review and how to use this particular camera, and also show you the image quality. And thanks a lot, and do stay tuned. Click the link right below, which is there right from you, to make the money online. I will show you up how you can earn money from your images which you have taken from your smartphone, or from a professional camera, or from this camera. Okay, so stay tuned. Let's click the link right below, and before that, do subscribe my channel. Okay.